Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 24th of August till 30th of August, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's see for my Taurus for the coming week from 24th of August till 30th of August 2020. Please, all my angels and guides, please help me find answers for my Taurus, please. Alright, so let's see. 3 shuffles. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. Let's see now. Okay, so at the back of the deck it's the Empress, so it's you over here. You know, I'm seeing you here like a person who has taken a decision for himself or herself. You know, basically a decision taken so that you can go ahead in your life, you know, move ahead in your life, because your past energies are over here 10 of swords, the wheel of fortune and queen of cups. So there was an ending over here, like whatever situation you were in, actually this ending was something which you chose, you know. With see how this ending is coming up as a wheel of fortune over here, like this ending had to happen and it brought you some kind of, might be you were feeling emotional in this because the queen of cups is also here. So I'm seeing that there were emotional baggages as well, but yes, you had to take this step because you in your present are moving on, because the cards are 4 of rods, the chariot and the moon. See how beautifully you are moving on in your life right now. So this is your present energies over here. You know, this is something you wanted, and if you are this, the Empress, it's like you took this decision for your better future. Okay, so this might be something hidden, because you know, hidden means, well, we'll clarify what exactly it means. But I'm seeing that, you know, you have taken this this decision very emotionally, like whatever you felt, you did that finally, at least. So now you're happy that I did this thing, so whatever this thing is. And the reason why it is hidden, I'm saying, because you know, when you are moving ahead in your life, you don't blab about it to everyone, so you are taking things very quietly, secretly, and that's good, I guess. In your future energies, you have 5 of swords, knight of swords and page of swords. A lot of action being taken in your future, I'm seeing, and it is really fast, like whatever this is, but there is some kind of action in your future. We'll clarify. Okay, so let's see. Okay, for my Taurus, please, let's see. So let's see why the Empress energy is here. Why the Empress is here. For my Taurus, please, why the Empress is here in the overall energy. So many cards. Why the Empress is here in the overall energy for my Taurus, please. The Hanged Man. So I'm seeing that you might have taken a lot of time for this decision to take place, but you were very much, you know, you were analyzing, you were researching stuff before you take the decision. It was not like, okay, so some quick idea came to your mind and you, yes, I'm doing this, whatever decision you have taken. No, it was not like that. It was a very mature kind of a decision, because that's you, your energy is here, and you took time, but it actually, you know, at least you know what you are doing over here. 9 of wands is also here. So you were like, okay, so now I am firm about it. with the Nine of Wands and the Hangman and the Empress over here, I'm seeing that, you know, whatever decision was this, you are firm, you are like, no, uh, although I'm tired, but no, I will stand for myself. And you are standing on the ground, you are like, whatever is coming towards me, no, it's a no for everything. If I have taken a decision right now, I will go with that particular thing. And you are saying no to all other things in your life right now. Good. Let's see why the Wheel of Fortune is there at the past energies. The Emperor and Five of Swords over here. So things were actually, you know, things were like somebody took a decision over here, and it was very strict decision, like very firm decision, and basically, you know, standing on your grounds. And because I'm getting the same energies, like overall energy and over here, so I really feel that it's you who has taken this kind of a decision, because you were seeing yourself with the Wheel of Fortune as the person who is like, you know, the wheel is turning, the fortune is in my side right now. So it was everything, the things were actually happening like this only, like that. After those endings, whatever ending is this, because with the first card, I really call it the strongest card, and it is the Ten of Swords. So something has ended in your past, and it was like, might be going for some of you from a long time, like this had to end, and you were just like, you know, you were just pulling and pushing, like, okay, let's do it once again, once more, one more time. But you had to just deal with this particular thing, no. And you took this decision, and might be dealing with an Aries over here, but I see that it's your energy. And you know, there's some kind of betrayal as well, I'm seeing with the Five of Swords and the Ten of Swords. I'm seeing that somebody just betrayed you, and that is why you took this decision. Like when some, but you were very emotional, you were in the Cancerian kind of an energy, but you were like, okay, fine. Sometimes, you know, you feel emotional, you know that you love a person, or you know that you love a particular thing, you feel emotional with a person, with a situation, whatever this is. But you know, you have to take a decision sometimes. So that is what you did, you took that thing really strictly. And if somebody just betrayed you, so it's like, no, I have to take a decision for my good will, at least, you know, goodwill. Okay, so let's see why the Queen of Cups is here in your past energies. Six of Pentacles. So this might be a reason, because the way you used to give the love to other person, or the way you used to care, you used to give all your energies, invest all your energies to other person or to other situations, it was not the same way, you know, the way you expected it to be, it was not. So that is why I see that there is a strong energy why you have taken a decision like that. Okay, let's see why the Four of Rods is in your present energy. Four of Rods with Four of Cups. Okay, so somebody over here might have rejected a proposal of marriage for some of you. And I am seeing that for some of you, it's like, you know, like you know that, you know, somebody over here knew that if I will enter in this situation, like I'm seeing this a very happy family over here, and somebody already knew that if I will enter in this family, I will be very happy, or I will be like, you know, whatever this thing is, I don't know. But the other person knew that thing, but still, you know, the offer was rejected. It was like knowing that you are going to be happy, but still rejecting to go over there. So I don't know why, but somebody did that thing in your present as well. It's like it's a continuous energy over here. Somebody is not ready to accept that at least you are going to be happy, you know. Somebody is refusing the happiness. That is what it is. Okay, so let's see why the Chariot is here in your present energies. Why the Chariot is here in your present energies for my Taurus, please. Okay, Eight of Pentacles and Three of Wands. So okay, you are sailing away, I'm seeing. you're moving and you're moving forward, but you know, um it's like that energy where I feel that you are moving forward, but still from within you are like, mm-hmm, you're still waiting, or you are just, you're ready to fix things, or what are you doing, Taurus? Okay, your, since it's Pentacles, so it is your energy, you know, you still, it's like some kind of holding on still. I'm seeing that, you know, you want to move on, but still it's like you're waiting for someone else to just hold your hand and help you to move on. This is that energy you want, because in your mind, because might be this, these two cards, the Chariot with the Moon, I'm seeing that, you know, emotionally, you know, from within you want to move on, but you're just waiting for somebody to come towards you, and you know, you're waiting for someone to come to you and just hold your hand and help you to, let's move on now. It's been a long time staying over here in this situation. Let's see why the Moon energy is here. The Moon clarified by Moon, so a lot of hidden secrets I'm seeing, but you know, the energy is really secretive over here. What else do we have other than the Moon? 10 of Swords. So this might be something, you know, something like where this ending was like, I'm really sorry for that because of my dog is barking continuously. All right, so I'm seeing that, you know, this thing, whatever this thing happened, this might be a secret, or this might be a that feeling where, you know, and see, and yes, see, with the Moon card, the dog is barking, and over here also the dog is barking. Sorry for that, but I just got it in my mind right now, and he stopped now. All right, so I'm getting the feeling with the Moon and the 10 of Swords, like you never knew this thing, but it was like somebody was planning, like it was secret for you, but it was not secret, it was kept secret from you. Yes, it was kept secret from you, but it wasn't actually. So this is something which has come up in my mind. You are like, you're still emotionally, you are going through that stuff. From your emotions, this thing has not gone yet, because you are not ready to accept that change. I know you were the one who just finished off everything in the past energies, but still you are not ready to move on. There is still some kind of a weight, some kind of, you know, that feeling where you're not ready to accept the change, you are not ready to accept the breakup, you're not ready to accept that this thing really happened to me, really, you know, question mark, really. So this is something that let's see why this 5 of Swords is here in your future energies. 5 of Swords 2 times, 10 of Swords 2 times. So yes, 5 of Swords with the Ace of Cups. So it's like, you know, these emotional energies will be like just come and go kind of energies in your future as well. So you know, you are actually, you are taking time for some things, because whatever happened with you, you are not ready to, actually you're not ready to digest those things that really it happened to you. That's how I can put it the best way. The emotions are really strong over here. Your emotional energy is like, why did you do that? You know, what did you get after doing all this thing to me? What did you get? So that is what you are, I'm really seeing that you are finding some answers basically in your future as well. You know, where the Page of Swords is like gathering information. So you are like, I really want to know, please tell me, why did this thing happen? You know, that is a question mark in your head still. Let's see why this Knight of Swords is here. Okay, so we have the Lovers over here. So yes, this question is still going on, and I'm seeing that, you know, whether I'm seeing that you are really, you are working on, I won't say that you are not working at all. Basically you are, yes, you are not you're not able to accept the situation, but still there is some kind of a thing that, you know, I really have to, I have to move on. Whatever is this, I have to move on, because in your mind you are like, I have to go on. Life is like this. Move on in your life, you know. That is something. Let's see why this Page of Swords is here. Why the Page of Swords is here in your future energies for my Taurus. The Hermit, okay, and the Tower. So you are breaking the silence I'm seeing over here. So wherever you are, wherever you are over here, you are breaking that moment of maybe not depression, I would say, but that, you know, sitting alone, doing nothing, rejecting everyone's help. You are breaking everything because you are ready to move on, because you are really offering yourself some soul searching over here. If someone is offering help to you, if someone else is like, okay, I will offer you this help, so you are ready to accept. Now you are breaking the whole thing of not accepting the help I'm seeing. So that's really beautiful that you are, at least you are ready and you want to move on. Whatever is happening, it will, you know, sometimes these things happen in your life, but what we have to do, we have to move on, we have to flow and go with the flow, basically, you know. Okay, so that's all, Taurus. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.